going on YouTube? Bowmanasuit here. Come back with another box break. I'm gonna do UT icons, UD icons. I have actually, believe it or not, never busted any icons before. This is my first time. I got the empty box there. It is empty. Alright, here we go. Good luck. I have no idea how many hits we're looking for. Possibly 3 or 4, maybe 5, I guess. But anyway, good luck. Cards are pretty... Ooh, sick. Got a nice hit right off the bat. It's going to be for Foxborough. Foxborough 11. Look at that. Sick card. Number 29 to 150. Got a refractor jersey of Bo Jackson. Wow. It's pretty nice looking. I know, Cants P Lowdown C-Town. Probably want that. That's a pretty sick card. It's got a refractor look to it. Maybe it's shining in the light. Pretty sick. I actually like that card. It's pretty nice. Got a Jamal Charles rookie for the Chiefs, number to 750, and a decoy. Bo Bryce or Bo Bice. Got another jersey card. Got a numbered card for the, let's go for this one first. Got a numbered card for the Bengals, number 35 and 99, Jerome Simpson, Future Foundations, little refractor kind of looking things. And then our jersey card is going to be Kevin O'Connell jersey, number to 199 for the Patriots, who were traded. Or were they traded? Yeah, they were traded. Patriots. Kevin O'Connell. Patriots getting a hit. A couple of jersey cards. Now let's hit the autos. Let's hit a Corey Haim auto. That's what I want. Corey Haim. So you got a couple numbered cards I'll go through real quick. We got a Marvin Harrison number to 750 and a Jeremy Shockey die cut number to 150. Well, that's just die cut looking card. Nothing too huge. Marvin Harrison number to 750. Got a Darius Raynard rookie number to 999 and a Roger Craig Icons number to 999 and a LaDainian Tomlinson number to 799. I thought there was some patch autographs in here. Wow, here's one right here. I'm gonna slow roll it for our camera because we've been doing better that way. Slow roll. That's a freaking redemption. Wow, it's a nice redemption though. I think we've had this debate before, and I know you guys are going to debate about it, but 250 Steelers, this redemption, it's going to go 2008. I believe it's going to go to the Packers. It's a 2008 NFL Icons Football Immortal Letterman, varied numbering, numbered CDBF of Brett Favre. I can't remember if that's autoed, or if it's just the, letter. So if you guys can help me out, look it up. I don't remember if it's autographed or if it's just the letter or if it goes to the Jets or the Packers. It's 2008, so I don't remember. Everybody's saying Jets, but there you go. Let's move along. Got a Mike Jenkins number to 150 rookie card. And a Carnell Cadillac Williams number to 799. I think Chad might know if Chad's in here. I don't know if Chad's in here or not. There's our patch autograph. Number to 250, Donnie Avery. Our patch autograph is number 26 of 47, Billy D. Williams. Oh, it's a sick patch. Not really, but Billy D. Williams. That will obviously be random. Did it expire? Yeah, it expired last year, 2010. Yeah, it is him. Lando Calrissian. Dude, it wasn't autographed. We better get an auto in here in this box. For the 750, or that Brett Favre better be autoed. That's all I'm saying. Jason Campbell. Alright, last pack. We have not pulled an autograph yet. If there's not an autograph in here, I'm going to be hot. And there is an autograph in here. At least we got autoed. Dick Butkus, number 250. The autograph is going to go to the Texans, numbered 149 to 165. Rookie autograph of Steve Slayton. Steve Slayton. So that is the box of icons. Probably won't be buying any more of those anytime soon. Coming back with some more box breaks, but I'm gonna shoot out.